Did you know that you can apply mineral makeup not just to the face, but also to the body as well? What I've done today is I applied a little bit of shaping powder, which is technically this is the shaping powder. It is technically a foundation. It's the same base that we use in our mineral foundation, just a different pigment. So it effectively covers very well on the body as well as the face. And then afterwards, I applied a little bit of light bronzer to the area, just to give the area here a nice finish and a glow. So once I've had the coverage that I desire, I'm going to use a bronzer. So here I'm using one of my bronzers, and it already has quite a bit of powder in it, although I can always add more. So I'm just going to scoop my blush brush in there, and I'm going to use this to go over the top to add a nice finish to my chest area, especially around the collarbone. A bit more to the cheek area here. So I think you can see here the coverage. If I always wanted more concealing, I can always add a little bit more. I'm just getting closer to the area. I think that's nice enough there. And that's perfect for anytime you want protection from the sun, and also a nice finish if you want to wear a dress that's showing off your chest area. So that's just a little tip from me.